Hello there and welcome to my channel Ice Vedam Ice Authentic. Today I have this very simple yet wonderful drawing that I want to show you on how you can draw your very first photo print. So this complicated yet simple drawing is going to be done using Windows Paint only and in less than 10 minutes. So guys, get ready, this is going to be lit. Okay guys, open up Windows Paint, select the line tool, place the lines as the way I was doing here. Make a locate like shape on the middle part of Windows Paint, the black white patch that is. Okay guys, just copy what I'm doing here. It's simple guys. You also can do this and also impress your friends and family because you're not using Krita, you're not using Photoshop, you're using Windows Paint. So I'm making the base for the wings, that is for the first wing. There you saw what I did. So if the things that you're drawing aren't on the middle side, you can select the select tool and drag them a bit to be at the place where you want them to be. Okay guys, I have a small to-do list for you. It's not as long as a woman's to-do list. This is short. It contains only 4 things that I want you to do. The first thing is of you that I want you to like my video, and the second thing is that I want you to rate this video. You can rate it out of 10, the drawing that is. I want to know your honest opinion over my art, so I want you to rate this drawing of mine a bit like out of 10, and I want you to rate it out of 10. So the third thing is I want you to share this with friends and family. You never know, they may also like it. And the last and most important, please picture a handsome guy kneeling down on his knees. Yeah, I'm the handsome guy. Picture a handsome guy kneeling down on his knees begging for you to subscribe to his channel. Guys, please, I have a few followers. I need you guys. If you like my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot, and this is YouTube. Okay guys, so here I was doing the back tail. Here I was doing the back tail guys. Okay, so if you are drawing and then you make a mistake, don't forget that you have an eraser that you can go back and erase all the things that were mistake. So here I was refining things to be good for you, to be good for you, and hopefully you like it. So guys, please don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to request a drawing on comments. You can request a drawing on comments. I don't mind to draw something that somebody really likes. I will actually devote my time to draw something that somebody really likes. There on the wind screen, I used 2 tools, the line tool and the pencil tool. I heard from somebody that using the pencil tool helps out to eliminate pixels when coloring, so she was like, thank you for that. Okay, so still on the drawing guys, still on the drawing, I was like refining things a bit. You can check on the back tail, I was like making those things that that help the print to have this streamline shape and that it should cut through air. Anyways, I'm not that much of a print expert. Okay, so you are here on Icevid. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. As I already said, don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to comment below the question drawing that is. Don't forget to rate this video out of 10. I really like to have your honest opinion, your honest view on this. And picture me, as I already said, a handsome guy. I'm very handsome. A handsome guy kneeling down on his knees begging for you to subscribe to his channel because there aren't a lot of people here. So I need you guys to like subscribe to my channel guys. It will really help a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so back to the drawing. There I was just refining some details, making it to look a bit cooler. So there on the wing I was adding some part of the print whereby it helps in navigation, that is. I haven't done much of print studying. I know that I'm not a pilot, and I hope that you aren't a pilot too, because if you're a pilot, you'll be just laughing at me as in I'm not naming the things lightly. Anyways, I'm an artist. Making things is what I love doing. So guys, it's very helpful if you want to write something that is, and if something is black, you can just go back to the color and then select white, and you can use like even the pencil to erase something. So guys, don't forget that this what we call this, Windows Paint has this zoom in and zoom out like magnifying glass that you can use to zoom in and zoom out on things that should like add details on. So there I was erasing the unnecessary line. This was just to do, I did this because when coloring, when filling in color, I want the colors to flow to the other side. Anyways guys, you're here, you're on SVid. I like it that you're watching this and you're all the way through. You have done 5 minutes guys, and I've already said that this video is less than 10 minutes, so let's see where it's going to take us, but I promise you guys this video is less than 10 minutes. Okay, so here I was still on the plane, I was still refining things, I was still giving it the best. The best part about drawing is coming. The best part about drawing, that is to me, it's coming. That is coloring guys. So this is the worst part. You just see black things with white stripes. This is the worst part. Seriously, this is the worst part. But the best part is coming, which is coloring. So I can't wait for it to come. I hope that you're also anxious to see how this is all going to develop. So guys, you're here. I was defining the windscreen. I was defining the windscreen because I was adding some lines on it. So I dissected the plane in half. That was the line where the segments are connected. You can refine everything. You have an eraser, so when you make a mistake you go back and erase some things. Okay guys, so the best part is here, coloring guys. I gave it yellow because yellow was a bit gorgeous. Yellow was what can I call this? Yellow was astonishing. It was astonishing in a way that it's bright and it mixed well with lead. So giving this plain yellow color really brought out the thing in it, the beauty in it. But if you're doing this video on your own, you can choose a wide range of colors. As you have seen there, there's blue, red, green, whatever. You can choose any of them to color in your drawing because it's yours, it's not mine, it's yours. So that's the best part about drawing for me, that is coloring, because it makes everything come out and it brings life to anything that somebody has made. So guys, please don't forget, picture a handsome guy. I'm still sticking on that. Picture a handsome guy kneeling down on his knees, looking at you with his puppy eyes, begging for you to subscribe to his channel because he has little followers and he wants you to please help him to success. Anyways guys, so this is how you draw a fighter plane. So on the mirror I gave it on the windscreen or mirrors I gave them gray, lighter gray, that is, so I was going to darken the colors a bit, to darken them. I darken colors so that they would have a shadow effect. This is what I call a shadow effect, whereby I mix up lighter colors with darker colors, then that comes out. Seriously, that comes out. So guys, I made this prank guys. You're done. Thank you for tuning into SVid. So wait, this is coming soon, how to draw Red of Angry Birds. Stay tuned to my channel guys. Thank you.